सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी,
What is Selja you are shouting? What is the need of shouting? No, please. No, what? Why all of you standing? Why all of... No, Naqvi?
वो छोड़ दो ना।
सर जो है वो आज जो लिस्ट है उसमें कंपनी अमेंडमेंट है, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन अमेंडमेंट है, एप्रोप्रिएशन एंड एप्रोप्रिएशन 3 and 4 है। सर 4 bills are listed today.
1 second. Wait. Sheljaji, I will allow you. Wait. Let me listen to
Sir, 4 bill listed today was in company amendment bill. Second is banking regulation amendment bill, which is the ordinance. And third is appropriation 3 and appropriation 4.
Yeah.
तो सर हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि बैंकिंग अमेंडमेंट है, वो ऑर्डिनेंस है और वो लैप्स होगा। अगर हमने पास नहीं किया तो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है।
No, सुनिए। No, listen. No, why don't you listen? मैं अरे सुनिए।
मुझे एक बात बताओ, मैं इस पे वोटिंग कैसे करवाऊं? ऑर्डिनेंस पर यही होता है ना, सब मौके पे जाना।
आप लोग पहले सुनिए। No, please listen to the suggestion.
The most disciplined, undisciplined set of ministers.
No, I am only saying, I am only requesting. No, I am only requesting a suggestion for a government. Please listen to it. If you accept it, you accept. I am not imposing, but please listen to that. No, please listen to that.
सर प्लीज पास इन बिल।
You complete your saying.
तो सर अभी जो है वो इनफॉर्मल जो है वो अभी आपके चैम्बर में ऑनरेबल कपिल सिब्बल जी भी थे और भी ऑनरेबल आनंद शर्मा जी भी थे। सबसे बात हुई कि क्योंकि ये ऑर्डिनेंस है, लैप्स होगा, इसलिए जो है वो इसको पास करें। उसके बाद कपिल सिब्बल जी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। कपिल सिब्बल जी वांटेड टू से समथिंग और उसको सुनेंगे और उसके बाद ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर जो जवाब देना होगा देंगे।
रिएक्ट करूंगा। हाँ, so they agreed.
Yes.
Then what?
They agreed in your chamber, but outside they are.
Please listen. Now please listen. First of all, no, the suggestion came from the Honorable Minister is this. Please listen to, bear with me until I complete. That's all my request. Now, this bill, that is banking regulation, no, not companies. See, this is a ordinance. It's an ordinance, a bill to replace, no, I'll allow you, sit down. See, yeah, that's correct. See, this, let me say, this is a bill to replace an ordinance. And therefore, unless it is done, it will lapse. So, what suggestion given by the ministry is only this: take up this, pass it. After passing that, pass or dispose of it, as you please. After that, the Honorable Kapil Sibal ji will be allowed to say. Let me say. No, why do you say? Let me complete. He will be allowed to have to raise the matter in 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes, after which the finance minister will react to that, respond to that. That in any case you cannot have, you will have to not have today. This is a compromise. This is a via media compromise.
कांग्रेस में खुद ही यूनिटी नहीं है कि वो क्या
is a compromise.
एक मेंबर कहेगा कि साहब करिए, दूसरे मेंबर्स कहेंगे नहीं होने देंगे।
This is a compromise.
क्रेडिबिलिटी करेंसी की नहीं रह गई है, क्रेडिबिलिटी कांग्रेस की खराब।
Why don't you allow this?
प्रॉब्लम ये है,
आनंद शर्मा जी,
की क्रेडिबिलिटी का इशू नहीं है, ये
मिस्टर आनंद शर्मा,
क्रेडिबिलिटी का इशू है।
मिस्टर आनंद शर्मा, Anand Sharma, Deputy Leader. Anand Sharma, are you not agreeing with this suggestion? You say.
Sir, 1 minute.
No.
We have to
Who
go.
are you? I am talking to a Deputy Leader. Sit down.
Sir,
Yeah.
what we had suggested, since this issue was taken up yesterday and again today, members from this side, Shri Kapil Sibal and Pramod Tiwari.
I said it will
they
be
give
taken up.
Sir, 1 minute. And the notices from the other parties also. So let there be a short discussion. Let the government respond.
No.
After that, let any ordinance
No,
be taken up.
267 I have rejected. I
You
already
can
told you.
convert it.
Eh?
You can convert it. You have the powers.
That I
So
rejected.
kindly consider
No,
it.
no, what? That is not what he
Let
said.
let this issue be
No.
settled.
Kapil Sibal,
माननीय सभापति बीएससी में तय हुआ था कि इस वीक एक 176 लेंगे, ये बीएससी में तय हुआ था। इस सप्ताह एक भी 167।
तो मॉर्निंग मीटिंग में आप बोलना था।
तो मैंने कहा, मैं तो
क्यों नहीं
कहता
बोला?
हूँ, तो इसको अभी कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए
ना, अभी
176 में, इसको अभी कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए और शुरू करा दीजिए, खत्म हो। ना इधर की जिद रहे ना उधर की जिद रहे, 176
I cannot do that.
चारों बिल पास करो, उसके बाद जो है वो आप रात भर चर्चा करो। आप रात भर चर्चा करो, आपको पूरे समय जवाब मिलेगा।
डिनर भी
आप
होगा।
ये चारों बिल पास करिए।
डिनर भी होगा।
आप जितनी देर चर्चा करना करिए आप। अरे भाई बिल में आप बिल का नाम आते ही आप लोग एकदम दुखी भी हो जाते हैं।
The house has been reduced to 2. Very unfortunate.
ये बाजवा साहब की तीसरी आवाज है। बाजवा साहब की तीसरी आवाज है।
चल जा।
No. Yes.
सर बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है। अभी हाल ही में सारा देश सारी दुनिया देख रही है। सर चंडीगढ़ में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रदेश
Why are you raising this? I can't hear.
इनकार कर दिया। सर ये प्रदेश अध्यक्ष के बेटे का मामला है और सारा मामला इसको बंद करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। इस पर लीपापोती सर ये कहाँ बेटी बचाओ की बात कर रहे हैं? ये तो बेटा बचाओ है, बेटा बचाओ की बात है। बेटी बचाओ नहीं है, बेटा बचाओ है। सर ये बेटा बचाओ का मामला है। सर सारा लीपापोती की जा रही है। सर एक लड़की रात को अकेली कहीं जा नहीं सकती और सर ये तो रक्षक भक्षक हो गए हैं। सर इनके अधिकारी कहते हैं कि रात को लड़की बाहर क्यों जा रही है?
आप लोग बैठिए, आप लोग बैठिए।
बेटे को क्यों नहीं ताला लगाया? अपने बेटे को ताले के अंदर रखिए। लड़कियां सुरक्षित।
No, please.
इसलिए ये
That's okay, that's okay.
ये कोई कांग्रेस की सरकार नहीं है।
No, please.
जो भी अपराधी है, जो भी अपराध किया है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए और कार्रवाई हो
No,
रही
I
है।
want to know.
इसलिए उसकी चिंता आप मत करिए।
That's a different issue. We cannot take all issues together now. What to do? Now, what is this? Yes, Naqvi ji.
हाँ, I am requesting you, sir, कि please pass or dispose whatever the banking regulation because this is the ordinance.
Yeah, that's
That
what
is why we are requesting to pass this bill. This is very important. Or if other bills member want to discuss, we are ready for discussion on other bills.
Okay, now please listen. Arey, please listen. No, no. Now please listen. Now, please, why are you changing the subject? If you minute change the subject, what do I do? No, please. Please. No, please. No, please. No, please. No, please stop this. Mr. Anand Sharma ji. Anand Sharma. You are given a word. You are given a word. Ask them to go back. Please ask them to go back. You have told me. You ask them to go back. I will. Please ask them to go back. No, please.
Members are agitated. What is happening in the country? Members are agitated.
No, please.
So how can we?
No, please.
Very serious matters. You cannot ignore.
Anand Sharma ji,
Sir, this is a very serious.
you are deputy leader. Ask them to me. Please come. You gave me a word. You told me. Please. 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 Let me say. Please. No, please. Suno, please. No, please.
Members are agitated. Sir, they are agitated. Rightly so. They are agitated. What's the point? They are agitated now. They are upset.
I will not adjourn the house. I am not going to adjourn. Okay. No, please. You ask them to stop. You ask them. You are deputy leader. No. Banking regulation. You are agree. Now see, honorable members, I am telling you one thing. No, see, no, please, honorable members, I have to say one thing. The suggestion made from the government, I heard, I find it is reasonable. It is like this. Listen. Government only said, pass this bill, which is to be what is this? What no? Who are you? What no? Go to your seat. Who are you to say no? You don't allow me to speak. No. You can't do that. See, it is my job also to solve it. See, you may have any number of grievances. I am not saying it, but the point is, the chair's job is to find out a solution. And if the chair is saying, if you don't cooperate that I cannot agree. See, I am not saying that you should not discuss. The solution is only this. The minister said, pass this bill, which is to... No, now let me complete. What? You don't allow me to say. Let me complete. No. You keep going, let me complete. See, minister only said, pass this, which is a bill to replace an ordinance. And after that, the minister, what I heard is that they have no objection in discussing the subject you want to discuss. That is what he said. And then, that you cannot. That the chair is not agreeing. No. That means you don't want anything. The chair is... Please. No, Digvijay ji, chair is not agreeing. The chair also is not agreeing to have the discussion first. The chair is agreeing to have the bill passed first and after that the discussion. No, sir, but the chair is...
Sir, our request reverse it.
No. For the chair...
First the discussion on these two issues.
For the chair, the bill...
was the discussion on these two things, the currency and the stocking. We discussed these two subjects.
Then I'll be forced to pass it in the. Do you agree? Can I take it? Can I take the bill? You agree? What do I do? You talk to them. Nakudi വിളിച്ചു. No, please. You have to go. Honorable members. No, please. No, please. No, please. This is not fair. See. Mr. Temta, see, please, Mr. Temta and you honorable members, see, you should also weigh the pros and cons. The pros and cons. You have a grievance. There is solution for that. I don't dispute that if you have a grievance. But you should also understand the importance of this bill. If this bill is not passed, that will have severe consequences. So I am only saying, cooperating passing this bill. Otherwise, then I will try to pass it in because I have majority. Then what do I do? Chair's job is to facilitate the business of the house also. No, Chair's job is not to listen to everything what opposition says. Chair's job is to facilitate the government business also. It is the country's, it is national interest. What is this? Either you should allow me to pass it here or you should request them to go back. No, this is unfair. House is adjourned for 10 minutes.